guys, welcome to Garden Valley Farmers Market YouTube channel. Today we're going to be repotting this beautiful golden pothos. It just looks like it needs a little bit of a revamp. You can see that these leaves are just kind of suffering. Obviously it needs a little bit of a watering, but I think it also needs a repotting because it's still in its original plastic pot. So the thing with plastic pots is that they don't aerate throughout the soil. So it has a hard time with breathability and growth through time. So that's why we're gonna put it in this beautiful terracotta pot. Not beautiful, but I mean, it's a terracotta pot. So we're gonna put it in here. Basically all that you have to do, we recommend watering the night before. That way it reduces the shock to your plant, but it's okay if you don't. We didn't. And it's gonna be all right. So all you gotta do, all you need is some soil, some water, and a new pot. Now when you repot, you wanna make sure, if you're sizing up, you wanna make sure that it's only up to 2 inches longer in diameter. So you don't wanna make it this huge container because then it's just gonna drown the plant. You want enough room for it to grow, but not be overwhelming for the plant. So about up to 2 inches in diameter is a good rule of thumb here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of soil to the bottom of this. Sometimes you can put rocks underneath it as well, just to kind of let the roots, so to prevent root rot. But we're just gonna add some soil here because we think that's plenty. So we'll just add a good little base. I'm adding about a layer, about 1 inch layer to the bottom, just enough to allow the roots to kind of take a little bit more. So all you're gonna do is gently pull at the roots here at the pot. Sometimes if you're doing a bigger pot and repotting that, then you're gonna need to kind of tilt the pot upside down. So you're gonna take it out of the pot here, and what you're gonna do is just kind of lightly pull at the roots. This does not kill the plant, it just allows the roots to break and encourage new growth out of them. You obviously don't want to kill the plant and smash it all to pieces, but just gently pull. It's all right. It might seem weird at first, but it's actually good for the plant. All right. So now that the roots are loose, we kind of loosen this part up a little bit more too. Roots are loose and ready to go into this beautiful terracotta pot. All right, so once you've set it in there, now what you're gonna do, you see these edges here, you're just gonna wanna fill those in with dirt. So just start filling in with dirt. Put some in this area. And then after we fill it in here, we're gonna wanna make sure to press down just so that there's not any air bubbles hanging out in there, and making sure that there's enough soil to go around. So next time I'm getting someone to film this, so I'm not doing it one-handed. All right, so as you can see, this is kind of covered here. I'm just gonna do a little bit more throughout the roots on the top. Press down. You don't want to smash it, but you just want to gently and firmly press down. Kind of get some more going in here. All right. So that's looking good. Then what we're going to do is water. We're going to gently I'm going to take it to the sink, gently water, and then let it sit for a little bit, maybe cover with a little bit more soil because the soil is going to compact down. And then you're good to go and you've got a beautiful pothos.